Another rush hour morning, heading away from town. So the traffic's trying to flow into town in the opposite direction, and we've got a junction coming up. Can I clear it? No. So where am I going to wait? No problem. This obviously allows cars to come into the junction on the left and come out. Notice, as this silver Mercedes approaches behind, lane 2 is clear. If you really want to get past, mate, drive round me. I'm not going to block the junction.
Go round. Go round. You stupid git.
So my advice in situations like these: hold your ground, you're doing the correct thing. He's had his opportunity to come past but wasn't able and skilled enough to take it. And try not to feel pressured. The traffic's going to flow any moment. Show your class in these situations, unlike this guy. Keep safe everyone. I'll see you all soon.